Converter is a feature that changes variable values of the defined unit, range, scale, and expression. The biggest advantage of this feature is to intuitively create the program without writing the script. Also, the created converter can be reused for other variable values. For example, there are two numeric displays with the same variable assigned. Enter any data, and the same value will be displayed in the numeric displays. For example, you need to calculate and program to convert a meter unit into an inch unit like this. However, using the Blues converter feature, you can easily convert it by selecting items without calculation formula. The directions for basic use of the converter feature is described here. On Project Explorer, select Converters, User-Defined Converters. Add Converter of Unit. Set the converter to meter under inch this time. Set category to length. Unit input to M. And unit output to N. When the converter is created, open the property with the variable assigned. Click the item of converter in variable selector to make it enable. Select the created converter code meter under inch. You can now convert a meter unit into an inch unit. In this way, just select the items set by the converter, and the converter feature will automatically calculate